2xCLIPPABILITY, dual carabiner. This S-shaped stainless steel carabiner has two gates so you can clip items like keys or gear to one side, then clip the other side to your backpack, belt loop or pocket. High-quality stainless steel, solid, durable stainless steel construction and stainless steel gates make these S-biners ultra-strong, individually weight-rated. Keep keys secure. Upgrade your beat-up, bulky old carabiner keychain for a slim line, versatile, durable, stainless steel S-biner. Clip keys to one side, then the other side is free to clip on and off your bag or pocket without disturbing your keys. Multi-purpose S-biners for everyday, home improvement or adventure use. In a variety of sizes, there is an S-biner to solve your connecting or hanging problem. Connect luggage zippers, hang paint cans, attach gear to your backpack and more. Warning: not for use where disengagement could result in bodily injury or property damage. Not for climbing. Top reviews from the United States. Great for dog tags. I purchased this little 2-pack for my dog's pet collars. I have 2 greyhounds who need specialty collars ordered online, and the D-rings on the collars are very thick and hard to put their tags on. Instead of wrestling with twirl rings and breaking nails every few months, I added these to a shipment. Excellent purchase, very useful and easy to clip on and off. Love that they have 2 sides.